Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a collective haul that I just want to show you some goodies that I've recently picked up, subscribed to, or in general placed orders for. So I know there's always that meme that goes around that's like, I certainly believe that shopping for crafty products is a completely different world than using your crafty products. And I think that rings true for me, guys, because I tell you what, I definitely shop because I always find good deals. Like, everything is a good deal, but I'm finding my time to be scrapping and memory keeping to be limited once in a while because my daughter just started preschool. My school that she's in, it's like 30 minutes away, so there's a lot of time in the car. I am reading a whole lot more, which will lead me into a project that I'll show you that I'll be doing. But I still shop, like on my lunch breaks and stuff. So, All right, so I did an order at Happy Planner. I went to Michael's. This is Peachy Cheap. These are stamps from a subscription, and then an in-person Joann's haul and a online Joann's haul. So let's just get to it. So first, I would like to say I am part of the Stamp Society, subscription through Heidi Swap. This one was last month. This is this month. It already came yesterday, but I just haven't been able to bust into this one yet. And it's $19.99, or it might be just an even 20. It includes shipping, and you get a 6x8 stamp set per month that she shows a few layouts in, like her other subscription class called Stop the Blur. But this one's great because look, it has like all the bunting banners. So it has the colors for the inside, and then you can do the outline and then the different phrases that fit in the center. And then this gorgeous, simple, thin alpha that kind of reminds me of a little bit of a neater Ray Dunn. So I'm excited to have both of these in my collection to start using, because overall, if you remember on I think one of my first hauls of kind of getting back into it, I had mentioned that I'm using the Heidi Swap chapters in order to kind of downsize the size of like layouts that I do, just to make them flatter and smaller stories, because I'm running out of room in my house with my big albums. So stamps are key, and definitely why I'm picking up a lot more like Happy Planner sticker books, because it's flat and not so bulky. So then on PT Cheap, if you know what PT Cheap is, it is a website that does like a deal a day, and they're never really new releases, but sometimes they can be. But most of the time it's old stuff. And one day they had this collection of 6 Prima floral stamps for like $15. And I was just like, OMG, you know me and a good floral. And they were all stamps. And so I just kind of jumped on it. And you have to do it per day. Like, you can't like say, oh, I saw that today, and like think tomorrow you can go purchase it, or a week from now. It's for the 24 hours, and then the deals are gone. So I definitely bounced on this one. So these are all cling stamps. So this one is called Fresh Flowers #1. This one is Rosy Posy #2. Fresh Flowers #2. Cheerful Bloom. This is Tossed Florals. It's a nice like background stamp. And then Poppy Field. So those were all a Peachy Cheap deal, and I'm excited. Once again, flat stamping for those chapter albums that I'll be doing soon. Let's see. Let's just get this bulky one out of the way. I went to Michael's. I picked up tape, which is boring, so I got tape. But then I also picked up the We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile Power Punch for the discs. So I do have the Happy Planner Hole Punch, but this one doesn't take more than 1 or 2 sheets, or just like one piece of cardstock to punch through. So it's not very efficient when you got thicker things. And so for me, I've already realized that when I've done, if you saw my collage on the monthly spread of like the memorabilia for the month that used different cardstocks and stickers and stuff. And so when I had to repunch it with that, it was almost impossible, and it almost ruined the edge of the paper, and I was so scared. So this one will punch through fabric, chipboard, leather, thin tin, and plastic. So I have seen a couple of other planner babes have this, and it gives you the guide so that you can have the spacing perfectly apart. But I just thought, because I have a lot of memory keeping to do with the disc system, because I do like it for taking pages out, rearranging things, and you can put thicker discs on it so they can get to be fatter notebooks. So I am favoring this style of memory keeping. So this was like $20. I used a coupon, so I picked that up, and I'm excited to have it in my collection to use. Then on the Happy Planner website, they had recently a 75% off sale. So I got these 2 sticker pads. These are the ones that are smaller with 5 sheets. These were like $2.50 a piece. So this one is like more of a tie-dye, and then this fun floral one. But then the real score was that they had a bunch of their normally $19.99 sticker books for $4.99. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for $4.99 a piece. They're never $4.99. So I definitely was like, okay, let me just add a few to my cart. So I got garden flowers, which seems to be a lot of paper stickers, some clear, but a lot of paper stickers. Seasonal type for the big. Love the colors in that. Color story for big. So this one's a recent one because this is like pulling in from Indigo. That was Pressed Flowers. I already know like the sticker book's name, go figure. And yeah, love that one. This one's Out for Adventure. And like I said, all of these, I kid you not, were $4.99 a piece. And then Fancy Florals, which I do believe Fancy Florals was available also at Michael's. It was part of their back to school. So I have now this one in my collection too. And then I did pick up a vertical 12-month planner from August 2021 till July next year. I have been very good at using my planner lately again for a catch-all. So I love this layout, only because I will be running out of my catch-all that I have right now come December. But I might just flip over because this one's very neutral. The other one is very colorful. It's from the Wrong collection. So this one was, I want to say, $12. So definitely a steal. Picked it up. Then, let's see. Ooh, let me move some of this stuff over. Okay, so Simple Things from Dollar Tree. This was the only Halloween thing that was kind of speaking to me. Sugar skulls in like a bronze, champagne, and black. Then I got these numbers. These are considered poster stickers. Look how long they are. There we go. And I got them in preparation for December Daily. So go to Dollar Tree for some nice flat, because I was saying about the bulk, because I'm definitely doing December Daily again this year, but I cannot think to put it into 2 albums. I need to keep it always to 1. And so this is just a way to keep some flat numbers around. And then in that section too, there were these wall creations, which are just a bunch of rainbows. So this is one side, and then the other side. Love those. And then this random sheet of rainbow jewels I picked up at Walmart. Love it. They have adhesive in the back. And I just thought Roy G. Biv crystal, you know, like little jewels. Yes, please. Okay, and then the last 2 things. This was an online purchase from Joann's, and this was an in-store like clearance find. So this is part of the new collection. It was 50% off on Joann's online. So Spoonful of Faith, I got the big one. This was the only one that really interested me. There was another one by Marabou Designs. Ooh, like that sticker right there. Love it. And this one also came in a mini, which just means that all the stickers were just shrunken to fit the mini planner. But I just love her illustrations. She is a Black artist that they collaborated with for Happy Planner. And they're already girls in the community that are already been using these sticker books. Love them to death. So I'm so glad I got my hands on this one. And then the other thing from the collection I got was her planner, which why I got it was because it is a neutral, meaning no gray shading or any color indication at all for a dashboard. And the dashboard layout I have been using as my social media planner. I've been putting like my videos to film, and then like kind of the tasks to do, like thumbnails and photos to take, then things that I have to do for my blog. And then when I post, I put the schedule on this side. So it's been working out really good. This one's for 2022. So I definitely just bought it to put on the side and know that I am set for next calendar year. And then since it was 50% off, I picked up the black and white sticker pad, and then also the other princess one, because I have the other one. I don't remember the difference. I think it was called Stay Strong or You Are Strong, and this one's called Princess Magic. So definitely just Disney princess stickers. And then I picked up 2 of the storage boxes. I already have one put together and holding the other sticker books, but I got 2 of them. They were like $7 a piece. That was great. And then in person in the clearance section, I came across scrapbook paper and some other goodies that were all clearance, and then these 2 were the other non-clearance items. So I picked up Park Lane, a black and white set of washi. It comes with like a polka dot, a small text, a grid, a floral, and there's another polka dot up top. So it's just black and white. They have a whole planner line that's also on the disc system, and they have one that's like a sage color, a blue, I want to say there's like a mauve, and maybe navy, I think it is too. So this one was really cute, and at the time, I believe the Park Lane was like 50 or 40% off, so this was really inexpensive. And then I got the white discs as well. These are plastic, they're not metal, but with Park Lane, with these, they do not have the heart punch out like Happy Planner does, so they're just solid rings. These are like usually the classic set, so I just got the white ones because why not? I don't have white, and I think this would be cute. Then this was the clearance, so I got a $5 mini Happy Notes notebook. This just has dot line paper. Love that. It was like $5. The Never Grow Up Chamel 6x8 paper pad. This was like $2.50 on clearance. So I was like, yes, I'm always good for scrapbook paper. Why not? For $2.50, yes. And then the 3 journal sets. One is dot grid, one is line, and one is blank. These are on the Happy Planner website, but I found them in the clearance section. They weren't in the like cellophane packaging, and they're pretty good condition, except a little bit on the bottom are banged up, but I still feel like I can get some use out of them. So I picked up these, and I was thinking actually of turning the blank one into like my book review journal, where I always print out the pictures of the books I finish reading and then give my review and maybe like a quote from the book and stuff. So that might already get one of these in use. And then I got tons of scrapbook paper. So these all rang up about, I want to say they were 25 cents a piece. So that was amazing. And I got the pattern papers that are available at Joann. So if you know some of the designers like Amy Tan, Chamel, Paige Evans, and is it Maggie Holmes? Yeah, they're all available now at Joann's or certain Joann's. So these are their paper collections, and unfortunately they were just thrown in the clearance section. They weren't like placed very nicely. So I try to get ones that were in decent condition still, because I don't want kinks and damaged corners. So I will go through these rather quickly just so that you can see the patterns that I'll be working with. So this one's from Bloom Street. I got it for the floral on this side, but there is a nice green on this. Damask Love, Girl Power. Love this rainbow side, but then it says Girl Power in a rainbow print too, so I love that. Definitely bought it for that. Chamel Never Grow Up, the cut apart page, and then like this hunter green pinwheel in the back. Got it for the cut apart. Bloom Street again. Love this side. Want to cut up all these into little strip sentiments, but the back is gorgeous, but I definitely got it for the cut apart. Love this one. It's on a navy background, this rainbow kind of like garland look, and then it's kind of a doodly face picture in the back. Got it for this side. Cut apart from Girl Power as well, and then a pink cute argyle in the back. Love the cut apart though, so I got it for the cut apart. This one I love so much. I got 3 of them. So it's all like these different girls, people, different skin tones and head, hair and glasses and things. Love it. And then it's just a simple black with eyelashes in the back. Definitely got it for this side. This is Jen Hadfield's Hey Hello. Love this floral. And then like a leaf repeating pattern in the back. Got it for this side. Girl Power, kind of like a doodly markings. And then a pink daisy. Got it for this side. Great Rainbow. This is from Pebbles with the green text on the back. This side. Orange. This is Amy Tangerine Picnic Park. Got it for the rainbow. Bloom Street cut apart. And then this gorgeous kind of like almost like seashell / mermaid scales. I love this side. I could use either side of this one. Then this cute pink with like star marks, and then Girl Power in the back. I love this side more. Yellow with lightning bolts, and then the little icons. I want to cut out all these icons, so I got it for this side. Chamel Never Grow Up, this cute like floral and little bird, and then this nice purple on navy repeating pattern. Love the purple side. And then this ice cream cone repeating pattern, Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park, and then another purple in the back. I think I got it for the purple, these two, so I can do something together with this. So these were all 25 cents a piece. So you can see, like I spent like what, $1, $2, like $5 on scrapbook paper, and I got all of this. That is definitely a bargain. All right. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone. Till next time. Bye.